Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about the Forex trading. The first question in your mind is what is Forex trading? The foreign exchange, also known as Forex or FX market. FX market is a global market for exchanging national currencies. Because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce, and finance, Forex market tend to be the largest and most liquid asset market in the world. Guys, the currencies trade against each other as exchange rate pair. So I will tell you, you are thinking like, is trading Forex is a good idea? Guys, Forex trading may make you rich if you are a hedge fund with a deep pocket or an unusually skilled currency trader. But for the average retail trader, rather than being an easy road to riches, Forex trading can be a rocky highway to enormous losses and potential failure. So, if you are a beginner, Forex trading can be complex and may not be suitable for everyone. Whether Forex is good for you will depend on your financial conditions, your goals, and how much investing experience you already have as a beginner. Overall, beginners must exercise caution, especially as the majority of Forex traders lost money. So, guys, this is the introduction of Forex trading. So, Forex trading is in simply way you are exchanging money the worldwide. You for example, you are purchasing dollars and you will change it into euro, Indian, Japanese yen, and British pounds. So these are the exchanges. This is called the forex exchange. The whole worldwide currency exchange is known as the forex trading. For example, you are buy a dollar in, like, just today the dollar rate is 190. So you will buy a dollar in 190. Hopefully the next day it will be go to $92, and you will the exchange, like you will sell the dollar. These are called forex trading or forex exchange. But in the beginner, I will suggest you, don't put, if you don't know about the forex exchange or forex trading, don't invest too much in forex trading, because if you're a beginner and you invest the more amount, the chances of losing is high. So first you will learn what is forex trading and how beginners start this one. I hope guys you will enjoy my video and you will get my points. Hopefully I will upload more videos about this. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.